Welcome back to Barnstormer Garage. Hadn't planned on doing a video on this, but project's getting kind of crazy, so I figured let y'all in on it. Let's check it out. All right, so the 2005 BMW K1200LT. Man, motorcycles got such long words, letters, numbers. I don't know. Anyway, the one that was for Mickey's college flipping. Let's see, it was August of 24 when we bought it. And now it's May of 26. And we didn't sell it, but it's gone. And now we have a 2002 CBR954RR, which is one really cool bike. So this bike was owned by a guy, and his brother-in-law had only ridden up to a 600, and well, he went out for a ride and he ripped on the throttle and it went up, straight up and down, tore up the whole back of the bike, and he ended up in a field. Day one. Scratches down there. Stupid mirrors. Just about brand new tires. Good brand new clutch. Sat for a while though. The surface rust. Chain, but overall, pretty good bike. See what we make out of it. So the rear seat frame, I got all tweaked and bent. I have a new to me, one of those coming. Obviously the plastic got all trashed. This is a titanium black model. It's hodgepodge. It's got these weird mirrors that don't do good things. The windshield is held on by zip ties. I just took the air filter out. There's the air filter. I don't think someone put a can in there thinking that it was going to make the bike faster, and then never cleaned it. Look at this. There's a mouse living in that air box. But it runs really nice. It's got the Two Brothers Racing all the way. It's even got a header and all that fancy stuff up in there. But it's got cams in it. It's tuned. It's got the... What is it? Dyno Jet Power Commander. And it was literally dyno tuned on a dyno. So it's got a lot of gumption. They changed the gear ratio on it. So it's a smaller tooth up front, which means if I'm not careful, it'll wheelie all day long, which I don't. That's not my plan at all. But anyway, it is 2026. It is the 250th anniversary of the U.S. since our independence and our Constitution. And I'm so grateful to be a U.S. citizen and grateful, born and raised here. A lot of pride in that. Well, this bike's getting that birthday. We are going red, white, and blue, folks. I've already got new, see when they fell over, scratched up that plastic. So I've got new fairings on the way. They're Honda design, but I think it's blue on white, red. Yeah, my good old friend Walt is letting me use his paint shop. And this is going to be a secret what I'm doing on this thing. But this is getting painted. Because silver's not going to look nice on red, white, and blue. And I've got some ideas. And I've got a plan that I don't know if I can pull off. I don't even know if Walt could pull off. But he said, I get to do all the work. He's going to be there for technical advice. Fine. That's what we're going to do. But let me show you one other thing, because it just kind of kept going as I was taking this bike apart and looking at it. When it came to us, it was leaking fuel. He's like, I filled it up for you, it's leaking. And then he said, yeah, there was caulking. I don't know if you can see it. See that gray? I don't even know what it is, because some parts of it aren't even like dried. See that? It's not RTV. But see, this is, you can even see this right here, right? Like this stuff, this is inside the tank. Somebody put a fuel pump on here, and what happened was they broke this wire right here. And so the fix was, well, I'm going to show you. They ran this wire through here. This is the power wire. And then ran it through here and then spliced it into here. I don't know about you, but running the power wire through fuel exposed, I can't believe this bike didn't blow up. I really can't believe it wasn't a statistic in someone's property. Anyway, tonight I soldered this back together. Heat shrinked it real nice. It's nice and tight. It's not going to leak anywhere in there. Soldered this back together. So I fixed this one. So it's back to its original harness. These things, that, $600. Nope. A little bit of solder, a little bit of patience. And, well, because the fuel pump works. I know it because the bike runs. So let me show you what they did over here. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whoops. They literally pried this up, broke it off, and then they snuck that wire in right here. I'm going to go get I'm going to get a little tiny bolt, and I'm going to weld it. I got to figure out exactly where it goes. You know, put that there, and little tack weld, then weld it, and then I think we can make it seal. So there we are. 2002 CBR954RR. One of the coolest bikes Honda made. They only made it for 2 years. 2002, 2003. It is one mean sucker. And, well, we're going to get it back on the road. We do restorations here, right? For motorcycles. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you. There's going to be a lot more on the CBR as we go through everything. Take it down to the frame and engine and clean her up, shine her up, polish her, make it look shiny like the Harley is. Thanks a lot. Like, subscribe, do all the things to help us out, and we'll catch you next time. God bless.